went for a peace walk, and this is what happened. Yesterday, also in Botswana, the former President Ian Khama has resumed his position as the Paramount Chief. It was such a lovely ceremony, and many dignitaries were there. We'll be discussing that today. And also remember, today happened to be the World AIDS Day. So how is Botswana doing in terms of HIV? This is many more we'll be discussing today's segment. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. So welcome to Lorato TV. Today is Sunday, and I hope you're all enjoying the Sunday. If you're Christian, I hope you've been to church. And how has been the experience? Let us know in the comment section below. Well, yesterday we had a peace walk as we prepare for election. Saturday, Ghana will be going to the polls as well. Today is the first. First of all, I wish you all a wonderful month as we go gradually to the end of the year. Saturday is going to be the turn of Ghana to return to the poll to exercise, for citizens to exercise their democratic rights. There was a peace walk or a peace march organized by Peace Council in my locality. So I joined the people. I joined for the peace walk, and it was a lovely celebration yesterday. I just want you to have a feel of that ceremony, of that exercise.
We are coming to you live from Hope, where the Peace Council of Ghana in the Volta region is hosting a peace walk towards the upcoming election.
So after that, we interviewed some few people, and these are some of their responses.
Good morning. My name is Makaf.
My name is Sayram.
We would like to know, is this your first time of having a peace walk like this?
Yeah, for the election, this is the first one we are doing for the election, this year's election.
So what actually motivated you to participate in this peace walk?
You know, a month back, we had a health walk organized by Howide ambassadors. So based on that, we saw the necessary to join partners. So Rotary, Rotrat, Howide ambassadors are all come together to have this memorable peace walk, just to commemorate our election coming on the 7th of December.
So I would like to ask, what are your expectations from this peace walk?
Yeah, so at the end of the day, when you find among the people, we have all political parties being part of this work. So at the end, we intend to achieve the peace that we want. Yeah. Okay.
So what message do you have for the people of Ghana and our political leaders?
We're saying that on the 7th of December, we are all going to the polls to vote. And when we are done with our polls, we go back to our various homes and be waiting for the results to be declared. That's all. So peace to reign for all of us.
Yeah, I'm Nelson Ofori. I'm the PRO for Howide.
Wow, we are pleased to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Is it the first time you are having a peace walk like this?
Okay, it's not the first time there's a peace walk in Hoba. This is the first time the Howide ambassadors, the Peace Council, let me use that word, Peace Council, then Rotary Club, it's an NCCE are coming together for one program. This is the first time, but it's the second time Howide is pulling up a big walk like this. Yeah.
So what are your expectations from this peace walk?
Oh, you see, the good thing is there is Ghana before election, you know, and I don't think you and I can be standing over here right now if there is no peace. So we deem it necessary to bring people together to preach the peace we had before the election, and we want the peace after election. Imagine, like, this street will be empty. They see military men, but we don't want it like that. So we are begging the whole country, everybody who is listening to us right now, if you go to vote, just go and vote. When you finish, go to the house. Cook some akbale, fetri dachi, abobo, the fear one as a result. It's very necessary. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're a Ghanaian here on this platform, we wish you all the best as you go to exercise your democratic rights, as you go to the poll to vote for your right leaders. Make sure that you don't allow anyone to induce you. Vote for the right leaders who would take us, like as I said, Botswana showed us the way. Let us make sure that we vote for the right leaders who would take us to the right destination. Yesterday also, former President Ian Khama has been, for some time now, he wanted to resume his rightful place as the Paramount Chief of Bangwato Tribe. So the people welcomed him yesterday. Proud to that, there were some charges against him for illegal possession of guns and all of that. All the charges were dropped. Some dignitaries were there as they saw him being or reinstated as the Paramount Chief of Bangwato Tribe. Some chief, the king of Swatini, they were all there. And there were so many lovely dances yesterday, and it was a memorable celebration. And he was cautioned to emulate some other chiefs at the area who are really doing well. So he was told to exercise his kingship in such a humility. And he himself even said yesterday that, Kosi ke bato. He said a chief is a chief for the people. So it's the people who make a chief. And we wish him all the best, and we call him Kosi Khama IV. So we wish you all the best, Kosi. And also today, as I said, happened to be the World AIDS Day. In the past, Botswana was noted to be HIV-infested country. And I told you that as I was even going to the country, people were telling me that to be careful of HIV and all of that. But I told them that that's not the case now. That used to be the case, but Botswana is really doing well when it comes to prevention. This year's HIV, the team, taking the right path. We know that there is this law that people you are working for, before you are employed, you're supposed to declare your status to those you are working for so that they don't overstress you. And they are trying to come up with law to back this whole concept that if you declare your status to your employer and he goes out there to tell other people, you have the right to sue them, and the government of the day now wants to pursue that so that people will have that backing of the law, that if I am working for you and I declare to you that, I have HIV, I'm positive, and you go out without my permission or consent to tell other people, I have a legal backing. As we celebrate this whole day, we caution everyone. You see, the best protection is to stay away from, sex. Stay away. If you're not married, that's what I mean. If you're not married, just stay away. Stay away. Prevention is better than cure, okay? Very, very important. And let's make sure that we educate the young ones from early stages. Some will say that, it's difficult. Some are saying, they are not up to that age, so we don't need to educate them. We allow them till they are infested. So let's try as early as possible. Monitor your child. The moment the child, gets to that stage, start a gradual conversation with your child. That is all we have for you today. Have a wonderful day. That's what we are. Sunday is a time to reunite. It's a time to bond with your family. So make sure that you take advantage of that. I don't know if you're a Ghanaian on this platform, if you can update us also what is happening in your areas. And we'll be coming up these few days also with the election as we get closer to the election of Ghana. I'll try to update you, my lovely people out there, so that you know what is happening in our country, Ghana. And I'll try to compare and contrast as far as elections in Ghana is also concerned. I think Namibia also had their election. If you're our people, if you subscribe to our channel, if you're Namibia, you can also update us what happened in your countries. We'll come out also with few stuff from there. Have a wonderful Sunday. Stay tuned. Make sure that you actually take good care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with friends and loved ones. Have a wonderful day.